Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech accessories.
Today, we've got an exciting product to review: the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad.
We'll dive into the features, design, performance, and our overall verdict on this portable keyboard. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. The Samsers Foldable Keyboard boasts a full-size design when unfolded, measuring 13.5 by 4.5 inches. The keys are 0.63 inches tall, which provides a comfortable typing experience for most users. The innovative seamless metal hinge allows you to adapt to its layout anytime and anywhere. One standout feature is its ability to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously using Bluetooth 5.1. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, making it versatile for various devices. This means you can easily switch between your smartphone, tablet, and laptop with ease. The keyboard includes a larger touchpad that supports multi-touch and mouse functions. This touchpad eliminates the need for an external mouse, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It's highly responsive and intuitive for navigation and gestures. Weighing only 9.3 ounces, this keyboard is incredibly portable and can be folded magnetically. It's made of durable ABS plus PU material and comes with a white PU leather exterior. The built-in rechargeable battery can last up to 70 hours on a full charge, perfect for travel. The package includes a Type-C charging cable, a free stand, and a velvet storage bag. These accessories add convenience and value to the overall package. The keyboard also comes in an elegant layout design, making it a stylish accessory. Samsers provides a 12-month hardware warranty, 24-hour email response, and 100% satisfaction service. Lifetime technical support ensures you're covered in case of any issues.
This reflects their confidence in the product's quality and performance.
The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is priced at $51.99, which is competitive given its features. An Amazon's choice alternative is the Proto Arc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, priced at $44.99. It's worth considering your budget and specific needs when making a decision. In conclusion, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad offers a blend of portability, versatility, and convenience. Its full-size design, multi-device connectivity, and touchpad functionality make it a compelling choice for travelers and professionals. With a competitive price and excellent customer support, it's a product worth considering for your tech accessories arsenal.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Leave your comments down below if you have any questions or if you've tried this keyboard yourself.
Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews, and until next time, happy typing!